In manufacturing industries, safety is paramount. Yet, critical areas such as material handling, mixing high-temperature materials, and non-stop material movement pose significant risks. Traditional forklifts, although essential, expose drivers to these hazards. To address these safety concerns, Geometrix Automation and Robotics Private Limited has introduced a revolutionary solution: the remotely controlled forklift. This innovative forklift is operated remotely, eliminating the need for a driver to be physically present. Through the use of overhead-mounted CCTV cameras and various sensors, operators can control the forklift with precision and safety from a distance. By removing drivers from dangerous environments, the remotely controlled forklift significantly enhances safety. This approach improves efficiency as operators can manage the forklift from a safe distance, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. Let's explore the advanced features of this remotely controlled forklift. It offers complete control over acceleration, movement and turning direction, fork movement and fork tilting, brakes and handbrake, horn and headlights, battery charging status, and forklift health status. All these functionalities are managed through a wireless remote, or a separate wireless driving cockpit that simulates manual driving experience. These features ensure that operators can maintain optimal control and awareness of the forklift's performance and condition, further enhancing operational safety and efficiency. Geometrix Automation and Robotics Private Limited is committed to continuous improvement. Our future developments include driverless autonomous forklift with path programming capabilities. These forklifts will handle loads of 1 ton, 3 ton, and 5 ton, adhering to all industrial safety requirements. Experience the future of safe and efficient material handling with Geometrix Automation and Robotics Private Limited, innovating for a safer tomorrow.